Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to install Usermaven on a WordPress website. So let's get started. I'm at the setup module and I want to install WordPress on my website. So there are basically two ways to do that. First is through this direct integration, and the other way is to install JavaScript snippet where we paste this code into our website's header. Both ways are completely doable, but we recommend to go with this direct integration. So let's do this. When I click on this WordPress button, I get the API key and server token. So that is helpful in getting the installation done. So this is my WordPress dashboard. I will go into plugins and add a new plugin. Here I will type Usermaven in the search bar. So now click on install now and activate. Now I can see in this left column the Usermaven's plugin has been activated. I will click on it and I will start the setup. So now it's asking me to enter the API key. So we know where to get the API key from. We will go into our dashboard, get this API key and paste it here. Server token, enter here. Settings saved successfully. Now we are going to click on check installation. And that's it. Now the installation has been successfully completed and we will start receiving the data into Usermaven Analytics from our website. The other method is through JavaScript snippet. So here we need to copy this code and paste into our website's header. So even if you are not a developer, installing this script onto your WordPress website is very easy. Let me show you how. So again, we are back into plugin side. Here we type code snippet WP. Okay, so now this is the plugin I'm talking about. It has 2+ million active installations. It basically helps us to paste snippets into header, body, and footer of a website. So I'll quickly install and activate this plugin. And here at the left column, I can see this option. I will go into add snippet, go back to Usermaven Analytics and copy this script. So here it says insert the code into your website's header. Got it. Now I have copied this script and I will go back into this plugins section. I will click on add custom snippet. This option needs to be site-wide header and done. Now we'll be getting data into our website analytics. Let's double check. So let's open the blog and now yes, here we can see we have one live visitor on our blog page. So that's it. You can see how easy it is to set up a Usermaven Analytics on your website.